How to prime your pump. So in case your super transfer pump, which is a self-priming pump, is not sucking the water properly, it could be because of a couple things. First, make sure that your pre-filter is empty of any debris, because debris can cause problems in suction. If by any chance your pump was stored with some debris or some cleaning agent, it could get sticky, so the diaphragm doesn't quite work. There's always a way to help your pump gain that suction again, and that is to prime it. To prime the pump, what you need to do is fill up the inlet line. So pretty much it can get a little bit messy, but you can fill it up. So as you can see, my inlet line is now full with water, right? That is good enough. When you turn on the pump, it's gonna create the suction enough to start the head moving and moving liquid again. It is important that you feed your pump from an elevated point. You can even start it at an elevated point. So gravity helps take the water down, or the wine, or whatever you're using to prime the pump.